All right, all right, all right. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back. So this hour, I would like to go straight to the program with you. I noticed that some people from the US that manipulated their way to Nkere for back Republic, they are somehow reacting on what the achievement of PM in the past. Why do I say the past? Because PM is not here. And we all know that what Nkere is relying on is all the effort of PM in the past. To him, he's not in a safe haven. He wants to take over everything by fire by force. And on the course of that, some of the people who manipulated their way to fall back Republic are somehow pleased to what they criticized when they were in DOS when PM was here. We are going to center this conversation on one individual, and that person is no other person than Eunice BB. This woman we are seeing here. There's something she said in her recent post that triggered this video that we are watching now. But before then, I want you to please pay good attention to everything that we are going to talk about here, especially her post and what she said. You know, when PM was here, when the issue of head office surfaced, that bringing it to register their office, the head office in US, and PM, you know, PM, he's someone that have a very high test. Even though some people criticize the location of the building, some said that it's in somehow in a remote area and all that. But hold it, we are not talking about it now. PM made sure that that house is well equipped. We all love that. Even DOS from their own hideout couldn't lay hand on anything to criticize that move. All they could say is that he's trying to take over from PM, he's this, he's that, he's this, he's that. But we already know what PM actually wants is to make sure that everything moves the way it's supposed to be without waiting for Masafricano to come back. Not that he don't want Masafricano to be released, but he understands that ignoring the movement and everything simply means that you have put in the movement where the people who hold Masafricano want it to be, which is a journey of no return, that everything will collapse by the time they will release Masafricano. Imagine since then till now, if not that PM did what he did, what could have been the fate of Biafra? By now, they will be arguing who the CEO, not COS, DOS and their leader, who is this, who is that, who are you going to trust? You know, that kind of nonsense. And people may not have seen or know what they know today. Now, this woman who used to call PM names, I've said this time with that number, judging by her screenshot, what she said about PM and what have you and all that. In the past, telling PM that you cannot have two captains in a ship and all that. If you follow us here, what I said now shouldn't be a new thing to you. We have talked about this time with that number. Now, she decided to sneak her neck out again just to show her level of idiocy. And there's something she said here that I would like to share with us. But before then, please, like I said, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Very, very, very important to us. Very important to us. And of course, your comment is always welcome. Highly, highly welcome. Now, watch this. This is from her ex. Okay, we are now on X, and we are going to start with this her right up here. This old lady, she's in Canada, and she's the one writing junk every now and then, trying to make herself relevant. She loves it when people talk about her. But I'm talking about her just to remind you, people that don't get surround himself with, because when a criminal say another criminal, what they will do is they spread the call, because they are all the same. They just like when you are, if you're a lawyer, when you see a lawyer, you call the lawyer, both of you will call each other my learned colleague. That's exactly what these guys are doing. And some people think that, oh, we have now honorable Eunice, honorable Eunice. Your honorable used to copy a criminal. Your honorable today in the camp of Nkere, fallback Republic, who actually living in a shadow of the effort of PM, mention one thing the man or their fallback Republic have achieved in PM's absence if not to destabilize and undermine all the effort of PM, simply because the assignment is to squash it to ground zero. And the people who know how to do it best join them, which is this woman we are seeing here. I wonder what her man will be telling her, because imagine you insulting PM all this while. Today, you are now praising everything that PM left behind, courtesy of some of the elements that believe that they can do and don't do. They're going to take him away and shut him off. Now, listen, we make bold to say that Briggy is divinely ordained. Let me take it again. We make bold to say that Briggy is divinely ordained. After all, and in the midst of this sabotage, we still stand strong. I'm coming to the word sabotage. Just look at how magnificent our office looks. Are you getting the point? She continued. He said, if it is not Briggy, then it is fake. You can argue with your keyboard and keypad. This is not Honorable Fulani's beer parlor. Ima accountability is yet to show us. Ima accountability is yet to show us his own beer parlor. Mad people everywhere. A mad woman calling people mad people. You know, imagine it when you know that you are not sound enough and you have the temerity to pronounce negative stuff against other people. This woman used to insult PM, and the office that she's talking about is office that PM registered, planned, executed. PM did it, not you. Far from it, not you. And not even Nkere. Since you joined Nkere, what have you guys achieved? If not, wasting time and rubbishing all the PM's effort, thinking that you have the authority to do anything. Take a look at this screenshot. I will always flash it to you. Always. I will. And you know what? Since it has gotten to this, I think the best thing to do now is to remove it. All right. I'm going to take it down and share it in another form so that I can zoom it like I've done before. But for the sake of newcomers or latecomers, maybe you are not able to watch watch our videos when we expose this woman's her activities against PM in the past. Then after this, we are going to play the video that she shared so that you can see the office. And now the office is now beautiful to you. But before now, you were angry. You were calling him agent of APC. You were calling him names, you and Nkere, because that one is very smarter than that one is smarter. Nkere is smarter than this woman. This one is all. She know that she's naked. She know that she have no value, no respect, no regard whatsoever. But she always want to talk. You want to talk when you already know that your name is sorry, because everything about you is not actually pleasant somehow. It's not good. It's not good. Everything about you is questionable. Yet you want to get yourself involved in big man talk. Imagine DOS member trying to talk down on COS. But when you made this post that I want to share with you with us now, when she was writing this nonsense, DPM was with PM, traveling from place to place, representing Biafrans, and she's here now trying to tell you that it's Honorable Fulani. Okoko, Okoko, let's go there, because I want us to understand everything playing out. You have to know who this, because it is worth sharing. Now, here is the poll that I talked about. What you are seeing here is this woman's tweets. Okay, her tweets starting from when? 2023. For I know many of us here I know you are used to this screenshot. Yes, I'll be sharing it so that it will make more sense to those doubting Thomases. That when we call her agent of DOS, we are not actually saying that just to make anybody feel bad or feel happy. Look at it. This is a PM nation. This is a nation address. That is would die then. PM sometimes, off the time somehow, organize a state of the nation address, and In November 1st, 2023, PM made this broadcast State of the Nation address, and Nkere, no, not Eunice, as you can see her here, was busy attacking PM in the same day, 1st of November 2023, calling her reply to Simon Ekpa. Two captains cannot be in the same boat. That is the post that she made. Okay, with other posts, but this one is the one that I want you to focus on. Okay, this one that took up that was the time, 2023. She was still busy attacking PM, calling PM enemy to Americano, enemy to Ndibo, is agent of APC, is this, is that. Nkere own is different too. I have her own screenshots. But these two people, the moment that PM was arrested, they now moved from the US, joined Nkere. Are you getting the point? Remember, the month here is 1st of November. The month of 2023 was coming to an end, heading to 2024. And guess when PM was arrested? A year, the November, when she made a year to that time, PM was arrested. And in all the months before the 2024 November, this woman have not joined PM or joined Biafran or joined Autopilot or joined Biafran government in exile, nothing. She started talking when PM is not here. Then the question is, who welcomed her in? Think about it. What has changed? Why is she now talking as if she cares about Biafran movement and Biafran freedom? Why? There's so many reasons behind it. But all I can tell you is this: when somebody thinks that he or she is smart, others are following this, following it, JJ, understanding what the person is trying to do. Because I want us to go back, because I have shown you this. Let us go back to the main video that she does, for you to see how she's now celebrating the same government in exile that she called names and attacked PM. All the things that you guys are enjoying today, Biafran government in exile, even the name and every website, the style and everything is copied from PM. This is what PM did. Did I say they copied? You did not even actually copy, you hijacked, because you can't even copy. That is how daft all of you can be. Imagine, okay, I am now in Washington, D.C. You are in Washington, D.C. to do what? Nothing. All they are now doing is, once Nigerians or maybe people manage to petition anybody, petition Nigerians and dragging them and all that, you see them trying to attach their names, paying some news platforms to write their names and write junk about them and publish, because they want to maintain relevance. You yourself, maybe you know this truth, but as long as your name has been attached as honorable, because one thing I noticed about Igbo Biafran these days is they don't joke with anything honorable. Once you call them honorable, you are good to go. In fact, you are the best in town. There's nothing to compare with you. You become everything in them. Everything they want, that is who you are. To them, the best thing they want is that name, honorable. They don't joke with it. They don't joke with it. Once you call them honorable and we tell them that, oh, Mas, your tenure has expired, we are going to do election, they will start calling you something. The next thing is to put you down. Why must it be like that? Why must it be like that? Because some of them understand this, they know the truth, but they choose not to. They don't want to accept this very truth. I am trying to bring this video back, so you can now watch the video, and I will do that as well. All right, the video before you now is the video that I was talking about. The video they recorded, from that head office. All right, the PM's head office, which they hijacked and calling it now Biafran Republic government in exile. But that is what it is before. But this is supposed to be the head office of current USB government. But because the fact that because the names is in document, for the fact that his name appeared there as resident agent, which he later changed, removed PM and made himself president. So he just destroyed many things. But we are not here for that. Now, currently, this I see this building now as fallback republic. They're still maintaining them, trying to, because to them they have overthrown PM by putting him where he is now. That's why what is going on, what happened to Bassam Namonkano, and what happened to PM, there's no way you just, ignore those ones who claim to they are very close to him, because so many things is involved. So many things are involved, and I would like us to watch the video. Just watch it and hear for yourself. All right. Maybe we'll be pausing it a little bit. All right, if need be. But for now, just watch. Nkere painting himself all over the place because he wants to be relevant. He wants to notice me. I am Briggy. That's what everything. I thought that they should have removed PM, and after all, PM is subordinate, right? So why are they still putting his picture there? Here. Acting Prime Minister. Acting Prime Minister. Minister of Finance. Acting Prime Minister. Minister of Finance. Just like Tinubu, Minister of Petroleum, President. And as about these people. So if I thought you actually the only one fighting for freedom, people will not believe you. What's the difference between your manner of leader, pattern of leadership and that of Nigeria? That's not different. So why then fighting for freedom then? Okay. This is how they spoiled everything. Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down. Very shocking. Just see it for yourself. You can see. See? The thing is that each time they go to what Nkere is doing, maybe look at this one. Briggy Aludo de facto town hall meeting. All right, 2 months ago. Very funny people. Very, very funny. Just take a look at all the effort of PM and the units. When this house was rented, you were calling PM names, and today you are not talking about how magnificent the house looks and everything. You stand tall. Okay, now go one, go 20. You got what I go to one, go 10 before you head over to 15, 20. Anyway, I just want you to see it so that you know what is going on. I don't blame Eunice because she's not aware. She don't know anything about this. This is her first time, her first reaction, and yet she have not actually admit their mistakes when they were attacking PM. But yet she's busy attacking another person now, which is COS. And why you go to that woman? Go to woman. Fura didun. Why Fura didun? That bomba the names. Ikego. I'm telling you, Ikego. All right, that is it. That is it. You need to ask yourself some questions. If I thought you still have like any sense in you, if If you have something upstairs at all, ask yourself, because you are eating your vomit. Anyway, please let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Just I want to reply to you, I want to know what you think about Eunice. I really want to know. God bless you and put your comments. Take care of yourself and God bless you. Bye bye for now.